Fireflies versus Happy Scribe. Which is better for you? In this video, we're comparing two popular transcription and AI-powered meeting note-taking tools, Fireflies and Happy Scribe. Links to both products are available in the description if you want to explore them further. Let's dive into the key features, target audiences, and performance of each tool so you can decide which one is the right fit for your needs. Fireflies is primarily designed for professionals who attend a lot of meetings and want to capture insights without the hassle of manual note-taking. It integrates seamlessly with major video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Fireflies automatically records, transcribes, and analyzes meetings in real time, making it ideal for busy teams, project managers, and sales professionals who need to quickly review and share meeting outcomes. Its AI-powered features include sentiment analysis, keyword tracking, and action item detection, making it a robust tool for those who need to stay on top of conversations and follow-ups. Happy Scribe, on the other hand, is tailored more for content creators, journalists, and academics who need accurate transcription services for a variety of media, including podcasts, interviews, and lectures. Happy Scribe excels in its multi-language support, providing high-quality transcriptions in over 60 languages. The platform also offers a powerful editor, where users can easily correct and format transcriptions, making it ideal for those who need polished transcripts for publication or research purposes. Additionally, Happy Scribe supports subtitles creation, which is a huge plus for video content creators who need to make their content more accessible. In terms of accuracy, both Fireflies and Happy Scribe perform well, but Happy Scribe tends to have the edge, especially for non-English languages. Fireflies' strength lies in its deep integration with calendar and conferencing tools, while Happy Scribe shines in its adaptability across different media types and languages. If your primary need is to streamline meeting management and extract actionable insights from conversations, Fireflies is likely the better choice. However, if you require high-quality transcriptions for varied content types and languages, Happy Scribe may serve you better. In summary, both tools have their strengths depending on your specific needs. Fireflies is perfect for business professionals who prioritize meeting efficiency, while Happy Scribe is a go-to for content creators and researchers who need versatile, multi-language transcription services. Whichever you choose, both tools offer strong support in their respective areas, ensuring you get the most out of your recordings. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore them further and find the best fit for you.